Hello friends, welcome to Learn GK 247. So today in this video we discuss most important general knowledge question on science. So let's start. Question 1. Who is the father of pathology? Answer: Rudolf Virchow. Which type of plant is a money plant? Answer: pothos. What is the name of shortest bone in human body? Answer: stapes. Who has been crowned as the father of medicine? Answer: Acharya Charak. Brass gets discolored due to presence of which gas? Answer: hydrogen sulfide. Which non-metal is liquid at room temperature? Answer: bromine. Which metal is used to perform amalgam with other metal? Answer: mercury. Washing soda is common name for? Answer: sodium carbonate. What is the hardest substance on the earth? Answer: diamond. Which gases are used in different types of welding? Answer: oxygen and acetylene. Which inert gas is used to substitute nitrogen in air used by deep sea divers for breathing? Answer: helium. Tetraethyl is used as a? Answer: petrol additive. Which color have the bromine liquid? Answer: reddish brown. What is used as a lubricant? Answer: graphite. The average salinity of a sea water is? Answer: 3.5%. What is called the property of substances to absorb moisture from the air? Answer: deliquescence. What is used in cutting very hard substances? Answer: silicon carbide. What is called the process of releasing of excess water in plants? Answer: transpiration. What are the products of anaerobic respiration in yeast? Answer: carbon dioxide and alcohol. Morning dew is an example of which process of the water cycle? Answer: condensation. What combination of sex chromosome produces a male human? Answer: XY. What is the main source of energy made through photosynthesis for plants? Answer: glucose. What is called a measure of moisture in the air? Answer: humidity. Where is the diaphragm located in the human body? Answer: below the lungs. Which one of the two minimizes wastage of electricity, CFL or an electric bulb? Answer: CFLs. Yeast is type of what? Answer: fungus. Which is the strongest sense in a dog? Answer: smell. Which animal never drink water in its entire life? Answer: kangaroo rat. Which food contains lactobacillus? Answer: curd. What is the name of that process which converts sugar into alcohol by yeast? Answer: fermentation. Which microbe carries malaria? Answer: female Anopheles mosquito. What does friction produce? Answer: heat. What is the physical phase of life called? Answer: protoplasm. What is the chemical name of vitamin A? Answer: retinol. What is the SI unit of mass? Answer, kilograms, kg. Which vitamin is provided by the sunlight to the body? Answer, vitamin D. In which year man first landed on the moon? Answer, 1969. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Answer, calciferol. What is the smallest unit of power? Answer, milliwatt. A four-chambered heart is found in which? Answer, mammals and birds. The capacity to doing work is known as? Answer, energy. What are the major pollutants of cigarette smoke? Answer, carbon monoxide and nicotine. In nuclear reactors, graphite is used as a? Answer, moderator. Ruby and sapphire are oxides of? Answer, aluminium. Which is the largest human cell? Answer, female ovum. Which is the longest cell in human body? Answer, nerve cell. What is the lifespan of RBC? Answer, 120 days. What is the lifespan of WBC? Answer, 2 to 15 days. What is the chemical formula of sulfuric acid? Answer, H2SO4. How many groups are there in the periodic table? Answer, 18. How many periods are there in the periodic table? Answer, 7. What is the name of that process in which oxygen is removed? Answer, reduction. In periodic table, elements are arranged according to their? Answer, atomic number. What is the name of that process in which hydrogen is removed? Answer, oxidation. So friends, thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.